I just finished making.
Today I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. With Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, you can have it with anything you like. You can have it with curry chicken, brown stew chicken, stew beef, even rundown. So today I'm going to give you the recipe of how to make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling. Even you can, if you don't like cornmeal and you're allergic to cornmeal, you can make plain dumpling. Also, all you need to do is just to add the cornmeal inside of it. Visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk, and if you like the recipe, please leave your comments. Thank you very much for watching my cooking. Nice. Right here inside of this big bowl, as you can see, is a massive bowl. I got 3 large cups of plain flour and 1.5 cups of cornmeal, and I'm using some refined cornmeal inside of it. I got a pinch of salt which I'm gonna put in straight inside of it, and right here I have a big jug with some water, and I'm using some cold pipe tap water. Now I'm gonna take my little time and mix up the cornmeal with the flour together. I'm using plain flour, remember guys. Some people do use self-rising flour to make their dumpling, but this is how Jamaican make it, or most people in the Caribbean. Take a little time, pour the water inside of it, give it a little mix like this, and pour a little bit more. And as you can see what I'm doing right here, you see it is getting sticky. You're gonna make your hand a little bit messy, but that's fine. And when you're making Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, make sure you always wash your hand. That's what my grandma always told me. When you're gonna make dumpling, make sure you always wash your hand. So as you can see, it is coming together. Take a little time, pour the water until it comes together. As you can see, inside of the bowl, and more water. Lovely. So you don't need to add any more water, that's it. So you still have a little bit more water, which you're not gonna need it. But before you start to knead your dumpling, put on a large pot on the stove with 3/4 of water inside of it, and make it start to get hot. So what you need to do, you need to press it in like this, all your strength inside of it. See inside of the bowl clean, and that's when you know you're making a good dumpling. Then you knead it just like this, all your strength in it. Lovely. So you can simply, you can use your foil or a cling film and film it and leave it for it to get rest. So I'm just gonna use my cling film and film it just like this. And leave it for a nice good 10 minutes for it to get rest. So that's the best way how to make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, how to knead it and get it. Now I'm gonna just remove the flame from the dough. Roughly I give it probably about 15 minutes now since I have it. And as you can see, look at that. Looking lovely and nice. Really, you can feel the difference. You see? There's a difference when you leave it to rest for roughly one nice good 15 minutes. If you know you're gonna cook more than one stuff, what you can do, you make it first and leave it for it to get rest in the meantime. Now I'm gonna put the camera straight over the pan. See, you guys see the water start to get boiled, and now I'm gonna make the dumpling. You can see there is 3/4 worth of water inside of it, and now I'm just gonna simply make some dumpling and put straight inside of it for it to get cooked for a nice good 20 minutes. So this is the way we're gonna make them and put them in, and we're gonna leave them for cook for roughly over here 20 minutes. I just finished make them off, so now I'm using my spoon just to circulate it in the water that they don't stick together. And now I'm gonna simply just put a little bit of salt, not too much because you don't want your pot to be salt. So you're just gonna put a little bit of salt, just like this, not just a little bit of salt, roughly a teaspoon of salt inside of it. Then I'm just gonna cover it and leave it for it to cook roughly one nice good 15 to 20 minutes inside of that pot, just to get them really nice. So I'm gonna just remove the cover from the pot. As you can see over it, the stain, or it does stain up the cover. But look inside of the pot. This is just really nice, and I don't want to say roughly 20 minutes now since I've been cooking this dumpling, and these are ready now. I'm just gonna simply share them out inside of a plate and nice. You guys see. But I want to say something to you guys. This dumpling is just ready to eat, and now I'm just really hungry when I'm seeing these dumplings. I'm just ready to eat. And back in the days, these dumplings were just really nice to go with like some stewed chicken or some curry chicken or some, you know what I mean, some chicken back, Jamaican chicken back. Nice to go with the dumpling. So guys, enjoy the recipe, and hopefully you will like the recipe, and thank you very much for watching my cooking program. I'm gonna share them out. This is the way the dumpling them look. Really nice and beautiful, and hopefully you guys will like the recipe. And as I said, subscribe to the YouTube channel and leave your comments. Visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching my cooking program, and as I said, we have a lot more recipe coming out just like these. Look at that, really lovely and nice. Hopefully you will love these one. Thank you very much. Just remove the cover from the pot.